Hello, welcome back to Maker Hacks, and today what we're going to cover is how to make a quick accent light out of foam core board. It doesn't get much simpler than this. You have some foam core board, you cut it into a section that you can make a triangle out of. You add one of these really high intensity LED lights that you can get at the dollar store, and you got an accent light, and they look pretty cool. If you play your cards right, you can even have it look like the element stones from the Fifth Element. So we need a 15-inch by about 8 or 9-inch rectangle of foam core board. Cheap dollar store stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to split this into 3 sections of 5 inches each. And now that we have that, we are going to make cuts. A handy dandy, remember the knife that I mentioned before? Nice little steak knife cutter. Now we're going to cut into this board, but we're only going to go through the first layer and the foam. So you got to be fairly light touch on the first stroke. Hit it a second time fairly light just to get through that foam. If you like what you've been seeing so far and want to see some more, it would really help if you hit subscribe down below, like the video, and leave any comments that you might have about this. There you go, super simple 5-minute project to make some really cool accent lights for your house for Christmas time or birthdays or whatever you would like. Don't forget to hit subscribe, leave any comments below, and let us know if you've used this.